love holding your hand, Kelly.
I love holding your hand and skipping through the meadow.
We are going to the clubhouse.
Clubhouse.
I love clubhouse rooms. I'm getting hard cramp. Oh, I'm getting a cramp in my side. Okay, we're good.
Clubhouse.
Clubhouse. Oh, look at the tree. It's a tree house, not a clubhouse.
Well, still up inside the tree.
The clubhouse is rabbit tree.
Isn't it?
Oh, I
What's going on up there? Hey! Hey. I love you. Oh, this is scary.
I'm scared.
Be careful so I don't fall off the ball on me, okay? No, because you gotta come out with me. Nothing yet. Okay. Oh no! We're going to go out into the pole?
Oh, yeah.
Sweet, I'm going!
Yeah. Wow, this is like dangerous. Disturbia, it's the darkness in the lab. Ow!
Hey there!
Hey! Hey! Hey, you! Hey!
Come on, Charlie. We're going to Candy Mountain.
Hey, Charlie!
Non-believers.
Charlie! What do you want? We're on a bridge, Charlie. Hey, you.
Let's go farther.
Further out?
Let's go farther. Further farther.
Are you ready?
I
For the
am
big rumble!
That's a manly bark. Hey, yo, I fell off this tree when I was little.
Did you really?
I thought I broke my back, but then I realized I didn't.
Did it feel good?
Yeah.
That was nice.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no! Oh no! It's the bee.
Go
that way.
Don't. There's a nail there.
Oh, don't step on it, girl.
I'm coming. Down.
Okay. I'm coming down and bending around. Sugar, we're going down screaming. I'll be another one with a bullet. I'm coming on down. Yay!
Oh, man, that was scary.
Let's go.
Hey, you want to go find a cow?
Find a what?
A cow.
What is a cow?
Let's go find a cow.
Are you ready? I would like some snozberries, please. Let's go. Kelly Joe.
Amanda Karen.
Did you know that I love you?
I love you too.
Goody.
Libra. Zeke.
Yeah, I would eat that.
Uh-huh. Look at that grass.
Look at it. It is dead and that is good looking grass you made there.
We're gonna go find it real quick.
Now we're on a new adventure.
Finding my phone.
LETSGO. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Lost. Long lost. You're like, oh, I lost my phone. I was like, oh, it's not in my pocket anymore. Okay, Bonesy, where'd you go? We're really wet. Let's check over her. Going back up. I'll see if it's over here. This episode is going to be continued because we have to find her phone, okay? See ya.